The feeling of going off-grid is something that for me started pre-having a family. You just used to get this real sense of freedom. And although now when you've got a caravan in tow and 3 kids in the back, there's no greater feeling than hitting the road, knowing that you're going to be off-grid for a few days. And that's why we really love it. And that's why we love getting our customers off-grid and enjoying that as well. My name's Bryony. I'm one of the co-owners here at Accelerate Off-Grid Touring. We really specialise in getting vehicles off-grid for touring Australia. You don't need to plug into power wherever you're staying. The solar and the batteries and the system that we put into your caravan or into your four-wheel drive will keep you running, powering all your devices and your gadgets for as long as the sun's shining.
I'm Andrew, owner of Accelerate Off-Grid Touring. One thing we do is probably different to a normal auto electrician is rather than repairing, we're creating. And I love that my guys really take pride in how it looks at the end.
The team is great here at Accelerate. They're one of the best workplaces I have worked in, going from Andrew and Bryony all the way down to our apprentices. We're all passionate outdoor enthusiasts.
So because they live the off-grid lifestyle as well, they've got this vision of what the customer needs and wants, and that follows through into their workmanship. They can look at a vehicle and they can see how it should be set up to be best used when you're off-grid.
I took my brand new ute into Accelerate Off-Grid Touring. Andrew drew up a design on how he wanted to do it, and we got to work on fitting out the canopy. I don't muck around with any electricity. I'm a builder, so I leave the experts to do that sort of stuff.
When we got here with the Caravan and we said to the guys, well look, go to the max, and they could get 6 solar panels on the roof, we could get 3 200 amp hour batteries. We can run the air conditioner for up to 12 hours. It's what we need and what we'd like to have.
We do a range of prefabricated dual battery kits that Andrew and myself actually put a lot of R&D into to get them right, to try and design a system that the customer can fit by themselves. So we can give not just people on the Sunshine Coast the experience of being able to travel with our systems, but all around Australia.
I know for myself, we've got a big trip planned. I see this trip as the big family bonding session, and I know that that's what a lot of my customers have. Problems are part of the adventure, but the more that that's taken away, the better time they're going to have and the better memories they're going to have. You really are being part of, hopefully, a lifelong memory for people. I hope they forget about us because it all just worked.
The amount of people that have asked me where I got my stuff done, where my 12 volt, where all my fit out was done, Accelerate Off-Grid Touring always gets a mention, and I wouldn't hesitate to take anything back to him and get it done again.
We want you to feel confident in your vehicle or your caravan and its off-grid capabilities. So we want you to feel that you can travel to remote locations and you know that you can flick a switch and all of your devices will work off-grid from the system that we've installed.